Crawly, 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 crawly. You make me happy. Daddy, do you want me to catch him?
He's gonna come up himself. He's a big kid. Yeah, you can catch him. Here he goes. Here he goes. He's gonna be a big kid. He's climbing. He's climbing. He's climbing. Need some help. Need some help. You got all tired this time or something? What are you thinking about? You thinking about being crazy? That's what I thought.
Yeah, I don't want to touch him.
I think he needs help getting it.
He wants to be crazy. He planned that, Mama.
Whoa.
Are y'all stuck? Here he comes. He's coming after you. Hey, watch out. He's going to come. Y'all going to go together. You go again? Again?
You're having a good time, I think.
Brooklyn, please. We'll tell the family right now. Brooklyn, please. You want to sit on her lap?
Yeah, he liked that earlier.
All right, you ready? I'll hold your hand. I'll hold your hand. Okay, here we go.